Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I bring you the OPPO Findx6Pro, and this is the latest flagship model, and the Find series is the most high-end series from OPPO. And this time the OPPO and Hasbro they present the Findx6Pro for us, and today I'm going to unboxing this, and we will have a quick talk of this, the specification and performance about this device from OPPO and Hasbro. And today we got the OPPO Findx6 Pro 5G and 60GB RAM plus 256GB ROM. It's called the Desert Silver Moon Edition, because for the X6 they provide three colors: the green, the black, and the golden. But for the X6 Pro they provide a special one, and this is a special one. Besides this, it also have a black and green. Yeah. So now next, let's unbox it. Let's check what's inside these books. Okay. Yes. Okay, so we will not talk on the box design because it's very similar to the OPPO Pad 2, and it's a very simple design. The model name and the brand name. And after we open it, we can find that here is another small box or package. Here we can scan it to get the warranty. Okay, and also let's open it. Check. Okay, sorry. So exciting. Yeah. Okay, so here inside this package we got a nice case, just the same, I think it's same like the back panel, back cover is the smartphone. This is the leather material case. Yes, very nice and very comfortable. And here is the quick instructions, the warranty card, and also the SIM card ejector. Also here it's the right to provide for the Findx6 Pro X6 Pro users, and here are the VIP right for them. They provide Care Plus and hotlines, and if your screen is broken you get free repaired, and also some custom service or deliver service or repair service. So this is very useful and very nice gift card or warranty or VIP right for the X6 series customers. So yes, this is all the stuff inside this small package. We put it aside, and then okay, the smartphone is here. OPPO. Yeah. Before we check the smartphone, yep, we can check the other accessories first. The first is the charger. Yep. So this is the charger. It's a type USB to Type C. I think it's USB to Type C charger. Yes, this is the cable. It's the USB and Type C. Yeah, Type C cable. White cable. Put it aside as well. And here is the charge. This time to provide a 100-watt capable fast charging and 50-watt wireless charger. So this is amazing. Such a 5,000 big battery smartphone. Okay, so next let's put the books aside and check the smartphone. So here, whoa, the smartphone is in front of us. Let's remove the label. Okay, yeah, as I mentioned, the back panel just like the case provide, almost same, no color difference, just I think very small color difference. This is more dark and this is more light. and put them together just like the like the same, very similar, very good, very comfortable. And now smartphone in front of us is okay. The first impression is that it's a big camera zone here, a big circle, and the camera zone is bumped up. I think bumped up, yeah, a lot. Here it's the 1, 2, 3 triple camera system. 3 is a triple 50 megapixel triple camera system. Yes, and here is the flashlight, and also the design just like the lens. Even though I think it cannot like the Techno Phantom 2 Pro X2 Pro, it cannot popped up, but it's just like the designs, like the camera lens design. And here is the combination of two colors. Here is the materials. Here's the laser material, and here's the, I think it's like kind of golden glass, silver, and the a bit orange laser. It's very nice. Looks for a high end. And also when we go to the front, we can find that it's used the cover screen, and it's a punch hole camera, and it's very slim design, and the size is very nice. We can hold it very comfortably, and yes. And now let's wake up the screen, and when we wake up the screen, you'll find that the cover screen display performance is really pretty cool. And unlock it, we can find that the punch hole is very small, and that full display design is pretty good and nice. The narrow bezels, the head and the chain very narrow bezel, so this is pretty cool. And yeah, we can check it from different angles. It's really nice. Yeah, so it's very nice, very high-end products. And next, let's talk on the specifications. First, we go to the settings to check the processor information about device, because this time they use a Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 Pro processor, and for this processor is a 4 nanometers producing technology, and they have a 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 framework. Yes, it's the latest. It's the latest technology, and through the N22 test, it's have a 1.3 million. Yeah, it's a very high score about this device, and the biggest score is improved from the Cortex X2 to Cortex X3, so it's pretty cool for this device. And also use the ColorOS, the super platform from developed by OPPO itself, and also it support LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0. And as I mentioned, it's have a 60GB RAM plus 256GB RAM, so this will be very nice when we run it the big games, mobile games like the Genshin or some other big games. So yeah, if no lag, no delay, and no lag behind. And as the test as I see the data from test, it can run the Genshin 60 minutes at an average 60 FPS. Yeah, so this is pretty cool for this. And also about the camera, as we can see, find 1, 2, 3 is a triple camera system, and the main one is the 50 megapixel big inch 1 inch wide angle, and 50 megapixel free lens, and another 50 megapixel periscope. Yeah, it's this one, the periscope. It means you can use this to get the super long, very long distance and object and get details. Yeah, so yes, it's 120 as I mentioned. I showed you. Here is the wide angle one time. Let's put battery here. Yes, this is the wide angle. 1 time, 3 times, 6 times, and we will go to also check the 120 late. Yes. So this was a triple camera system. It's pretty cool. And also we can also go to the settings to check the battery. Yes, about device here. It's 5,000 big batteries, and also it support the 100 watt capable charging, fast charging, and 80 watt wireless charging. And through the test, we find that it can, after 5 hours deep using, it can still have left 50% around of the battery. So this is pretty nice. And also the screen is pretty nice. It's a 6.82 inch OLED screen, and it has the Samsung E6 display performance materials, and also it's the display resolution is 3168 by 1440, and it supports 120 Hz refresh rate and 10-bit color depths, and also it can get peak brightness 1450. So this is pretty nice. And about screen, we can go to the display to check display here to check more details here. Dark mode, light mode, and we can change the auto rotate. Screen refresh rate here, we can choose it high, 120 Hz, and 60 Hz. Yeah, we can choose it. And also about the camera, I forgot to mention is have a Sony IMX989 is support OIS anti-shake, and for the wide angle is IMX890, and for the long periscope is IMX890, and it's 120 times mixed zoom performance and 3 times optical zoom performance. So this is the other things as actually mentioned. Yes, and also for the besides the Snapdragon Pro chips, is also use the MediaTek. You also use the Marianne, the MPU from OPPO itself. Yeah, so this is very quick and very short video about this flagship model from OPPO, the OPPO Hasselblad Findx6Pro special color, desert silver moon color, we call it. It's very nice. This is a silver, and the frame silver, and this part silver, and also this is sent for the another color materials. So it's very high end, very beautiful, especially for this. Yeah, I can find that powered by Mary Silicon. Yes, it's the chips developed by OPPO itself. Yeah, okay, so this is very quick and short video about this, and we will have a OPPO Pad 2 unbox video too soon. Thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Okay, now let's have 120 times super zoom this test. Now is the wide angle, 1 time. Possibly the wide angle camera makes the bokeh effect of the Hasselblad XZ3 30mm lens to capture both the subject and its surroundings. So yes, they explained how it works of the Hasselblad telephoto camera mimics the broken effect of the hot plate. XDD. Yes. The noise, the optical. 3 times. Okay, let's go to the photo. Let's go to the 120 times. Okay. Yeah, we can find the wind that's wrong, the light is on, and also we can get the windows. Yes. Only in a very dark environment. 120 times. Let me take a picture. 3 times. One time. One angle. Okay, so this is a very short test for the camera lens periscope. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for this part.